Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have my Boxycharm to open. I'm actually getting excited for Boxy Luxe next month, which I do have. So anyway, if you're wondering about this look, it is from the Pure Times the Grinch, which I recommend a glitter glue with. But it's still, I like the look of it. That will be up probably tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So just be on the lookout for it. So let's get into my box. And I got, it says version 3. They do have all the products listed and the amount you pay and everything. First thing I'm going to pull out, and this is one of the variations. Not everybody got these. These are the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And it's saying Instagram false eyelashes. Elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies are made from premium silk fibers. Give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and value. And these retail for $14.99. Okay, the thing about if you tell a vegan that these are vegan and then it has natural silk fibers, they're going to ask where the silk. I mean, sometimes you can get like bamboo silk, so maybe that's what they meant. But you know, silk is mostly made from a worm. And some people think like anything an animal makes, even if it's silk and it's just like hung up in the air, is like an animal product, so it's not fit. You know, doesn't qualify for vegan. So I don't know if it's made from a bamboo silk, or you know, there's other plant type silks they don't say on here. So you'd have to look into that if you are a vegan. I tend to go vegan because carmine is my issue, but I respect your issue. And just have this little like pull out string to help pull them out. And it says ready, set, get addicted. And I'm like in love with these right now. It might be a little hard fitting to my eye, but I can cut off like the very ends of them. But I don't have eyelashes like this. Like, I finally got used to wearing them for looks a lot. I mean, sometimes they can still like irritate just a little bit or just bug. But I'm more used to wearing them now. I still won't wear them like all day, every day. But, you know, for looks or, you know, things, they're fantastic. But these are so much fun because I don't have one that are varying lengths like this. Like go long, short, long, short, long, short. But I've seen them and I think they're gorgeous. So, yeah, I'll wear these for a look. That's cool. Next thing we got, or I got, and some people did get this as well. This is the Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Sparkle up your glam with Jante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Specifically formulated black glitter eye pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting and subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. It's $5. Okay. Alright. We got an eyeliner. Or I did. And I didn't like it from them. It was too tuggy. I meant to keep it. I don't know if I kept it to just draw on my face, which is always a possibility with the collabs I do. More than tugging on my eye. And I don't mind their lip liner. Like I have a lip liner from them, you know, because less delicate skin on your lips than on your eyeball. So I probably, if I kept this, I wouldn't use it on mine. Now, however, Amy said it felt crumbly, but then, girl, what's your name? Black hair, big eyes. Always wearing the false lashes. She kind of got out of doing YouTube videos, but she's been doing them IG. But she's always with the looks and serving looks. She's actually really talented. What is her name? Girl, I done forgot your name. I'm sorry. But she knows who she is. But she tried it with a look, and she actually said she liked it. So, I don't know. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I might save it. I get it why they use this in this one, because the concept is gold digger. You know, so instead of gold, that you have a gold glittery eye pencil, you have gorgeous gold on there, you know. So I get why they included this, plus this little bit of filler to, you know, push this box. This box is only like $110, $115, something like that. So it's like one of our cheaper boxes we've actually gotten. Sorry, already. Next thing we got is this. These are actually the travel-y size, or just mini size, but let me see. Hold on. Yeah, they're the same daggum size. I have this set already. Or pretty much the size. They might be a little bit thinner. Of this pink mini set, which I think I got in Boxy. It was like 4 brushes, so 4 brushes, probably the same thing. But these are gold. And you can never have too many eye brushes. You really can't. Like, I can't. Especially if you do a lot of looks and you're not, you don't have to clean them off all the time. Extra eye brushes come in handy so much. Alright, this right here is a full-size Luxy brush. So as you can see, there is a little bit of a size difference. Just a little bit. It's not like humongous. And that's the thing. This one has a little buffer, a little angle, and a couple of these weird pencil-y brushes, but actually like are really good for your bottom lash line and for your inner corner. But anyway, this is called the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. It's add a little more sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. So they actually made this with Boxycharm. So that's cool, which will explain the gold again, you know, gold glitter. The Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. Okay. The Luxie 141 mini round brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lash line. So that is this first one over here, like this one right here. It wouldn't open without a scissor. Okay, it's this one, if y'all can see what that one's doing. This little round one. While the Luxie 121 Mini Taper lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. It's that one. The crease on that one, okay. Mini Flat Angle, which doesn't really look angled. I'm guessing the end of that one's angled, the second one right here. Lets you blend out harsh lines or pack on cream products. Okay, that's what that one is for. Oh, I'd never know. But it's to pack on cream products. Okay. And the 131 Mini Angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color in your crease. And that is this one. This is actually really good to do any kind of crease work. Like angle your crease and you can kind of blend to it. Like if I wanted to get this like shape, like this really sharp one, it's good for that. And next thing in here, this is an exclusive, I do believe, to Boxycharm. This is a made for them. This is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in Nova. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. And it retails for $44. But I want to say Yosef was saying that this was like our first time introduced into Boxycharm, like hasn't been seen elsewhere as far as I know. It says shake well before use. So this is what this looks like. If you remember, we got one of these. I don't think it might not have been called a glitter drop, but it's one of their shimmer ones, and it was purple. And a lot of people were selling that. I love that thing. I didn't use it on my face or anything, but on my eye, I had a look like in the beginning of my intro. The look where I have a purple lid and like a blue inner eyelid, but the purple lid was because of that Cover FX, like an amethyst or whatever. So these look really pretty, and it's gold, of course, for Gold Digger. So the glitter is actually kind of multicolored. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, when you spread it out like that, like I barely added any, you're going to see mostly the glitter. You get some of that pink, you see the gold, but then you see the glitter. So it's just up to your preference whether you like glitter in your products or not. I wouldn't put that all over my face, but that's just me. Almost like New Year's. New Year's, anything goes. Do what you want on New Year's. Yeah, that's how you know. Ooh, that's intense. Maybe I only need one job. Ooh, okay. Maybe just rub first instead of patting. That's pretty though. Okay. I'm cool with this, but you know, I'm more open to liquid highlighters and glitter and everything most of the time. Last thing, and I meant to try it, but then I already have this look, so I'll probably try it on later. The Luxie brushes were $21. Alright. It's from Ace Beauté. The Grandiose palette featuring 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. The eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. $24.99. Okay, Ace Beauty and Sarah knows. Sarah likes the formula. Beauty Obsessions, or Sarah Michelle knows. She bought all the Paradise palettes. I still haven't bought them because there's always something else I want to buy. But it's like, to get the bundles, like over $100 because they are up there, you know. Anyway, but they're gorgeous. They're like 14 shades, and they have like, you have your cool tone, and then there's a colorful palette, there's a warmer palette, or purple and pink palette, there's a pink palette basically. I mean, so yeah, they're on my list to get one day. But anyway, she loves the formula. I think this my like one shade came a little crinkly, and it doesn't have the mirror. I think those palettes might have the mirror, but I'm excited about this. These colors I love for the fall. Do I have some of these shades? Yeah, I have some of these shades. However, this shade, I don't know if I have an exact dupe for this shade. This shade looks like exactly like the shade that is in the Matrimony palette from the Balm, which I loved. It was like one of my favorite shades. And so my carmine allergy got so bad I had to quit using all those palettes. But I love that shade. Most of the time I threw that shade up in my crease, and then I wasn't like connecting in my crease, so like it just stayed, so it wasn't really bothering my eye. But at the end of the day, it was like a fully carmine, mostly filled palette, and I just couldn't risk it, so I ended up passing that along. But it had a shade exactly like this one. This one's called Poppy, but it was like meat. It was a matte. Oh, all of them were matte something. Matte Kumar or something like that. Anyway, I love that shade, and that looks exact dupe. I don't think I have that shade exactly duped in any other palette I would know. But this one looks like a perfect one. This shade looks different from anything I actually own. Like, it really does, and it looks gorgeous. Like, yeah, so, I mean, this shade ended up a little crumbly, like, around the edges, so hopefully it doesn't fall out, so. Oh, that one's soft like butter. Ooh, I accidentally layered that one, but you can see it. I know I have these too. Oh, that is really pigmented. Okay, I probably have most of these shades like in my Juvia's Place palettes, but except for these two. And that dark gold is like freaking intriguing me. It's pretty. Okay. I'm excited to try this. I'm a little, I don't have a mirror, but it's okay. I can work around that. And if I hadn't just put glitter all over my eyes, even if I try to wipe this off right now, the glitter's going to stay. So I can't really try it out right now. I'll probably end up doing a look and just post it on IG. That was my entire Boxy. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!